Hi guys, in this tutorial, let's go to create our first uh, cards. How to create a base card. I'm going to show you. We are going to create the base card. Let's go to get a card. Let's to put country. Uh, Country. Okay. We are going to make a reduce to make a small. Okay. Let's go to design this one. We don't category, guys. You see here category down here first country. Right, we don't want it that one. Yes, put it outside and pull out. See, it is a color, then the black, and then work. So we don't want to do nothing, and we are going to change general. Then the hiding, we don't need to do nothing. And here we are going to change background color. So guys, we're going to use our background color, and then we're going to give transfer. Let's say two. Okay, just like that. We are going to import a 25. Yeah, 25 squares. And look how we got perfect card, right? So right click, you want to copy vision, but just paste. If you want four, you go to make like this. I think this three is fine. To move little bit there's a div to space. Like okay, guys, to move to make it straight. Okay, oh, perfect. So now I click this one. I want it profit to move this one. Allows to say cells and I have to click this one. Say profit. Sales. Okay, like that. Click here. Come to click here. We have a quality general. So we are going to change to dollar sign or percentage sign. So we come to here, guys. We're looking the currency, the symbol or whole number or percentage. You see, this is guys, it's changed by percentage. Just to, guys, if I increase this a bit, if I increase this a bit, you can see, you see, guys. If I come to down, that shadow, just want to show you what this one produce. So you see, that one port is very big. Let's say 35. 35 is okay. Yeah. Yeah, now you can see much better, right? Okay. Last two, delete this one to change to this one. I right click, continue, open, to this. What is with IKEA. Okay. So guys, how is look? How to create a KPI cards. So this way you create a new best cards. And another way to create a new card, I'm going to show you. You are going to create how to create your best in very simple way to create. So all this we don't need, and we are going to delete this one. We are going to create a new KPIs. So simple to create a your KPIs. Us to do it. So we have a guys here higher cards. Your new card. It's very simple. That's all. Okay. Let's go to get a sales, gross sales, and profit. Just make like this. all together. Very simple way. Reduce the size. Come to here, journal. You don't need to. Background, the border, open the border. You give 25 or 20 pixel. Shadow. So if you want to give shadow, I don't want to give any shadow. Shape. You're going to rectangle. You see, you can make a big whatever you want with rectangle. 15, 40. See how simple. To 14. So you can open it. Okay. So here, top left corner or top right corner or bottom left corner on the okay. So you can change whatever you want. See on the top right 5 you can from bottom to give 5. So you can do whatever you want to give in the size that okay, what else I'm going to show you. Layout in space horizontal or you want to vertical. See right or creative. We are going to present on this. Okay. Volume suppose. So we don't want the label that one at the top. We don't want the label on the space and give to 10. That's it. See, right. I'm going to repeat this one and it can be perfect. This one just be yes. So guys, how to easy and how to simple to create your cards. When you create your dashboard, it's so simple. You're going to create your perfect cards and to show you that your business analyze your business performance. Always you're going to see how it's your company's performance. So this is the guys. Today it's our tutorial that I hope you learning something new and I'm looking forward to see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.